If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making PODA PITHA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take about half a cup of urad dal and half a cup of rice and soak them in some water for roughly about 2 to 3 hours. Then discard the water and with some fresh water blend to make a smooth paste. Then take some fennel seeds, cloves, black cardamom and black pepper in a blender and blend to make powder of it, from which we need about a teaspoon of that. A quarter teaspoon of Asafoetida or Hing. Then take about half-inch long ginger in a pestle and roughly crush it. Half of a banana leaf or KELI ka patta. 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee. About a quarter cup of coconut which are cut in the shape of wedges. Then half a cup of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt. Now take a pan and place it over high flame. And first add all the ghee followed by all the coconut. And we need to roast this for roughly about 3-4 minutes until it turns a little golden color. Now in a bowl, take all the urad dal and chawal paste followed by the roasted coconut. Then all the ginger, hing, powder, salt and sugar. Then with the help of a spoon, combine these really well into a thick batter. Now take a small pan, then cut and align the banana leaves into it and pour all the batter on top of it, just like this. Now place another leaf portion on top and again cover it with a lid. Now place the pan over low flame and let it cook for roughly about half an hour to 1 hour, which will depend on the type of pan you are using and how much quantity you are making. So check in every 10 minutes after half an hour, and when it's done, it should look like this. Now let it cool down, then cut into cubes. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, PODA PITHA. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.